Creativity again is a very simple topic, which is very much also connected with you on your beard. When you must have covered the learners with special need, it also covers up over there. This topic was covered. So basically, creativity is basically it's viewed as a different way of looking at things. Creativity is basically a mental ability that makes a person to search or product new things, a different way where you stand out in the crowd. You are being very creative. What other people are doing it, you are not doing it. You do the same things very differently. That's what is looked at a creativity. So these are some of the dimensions and classifications of creative children. They will be very curious. There will be curiosity. They will be very flexible. There will be sensitivity of the problem, quickly identify problems. There'll be originality. They will not copy ideas. They have their own ideas. There is independence, comfortable working alone as well. There is a redefinition, combine ideas and materials in a new ways. They come up with something very innovative, and there's a penetration. They spend a lot of time thinking deeply on it. And now there are different categories of a creative children. Creative children can be categorized into various areas. As I told, it's also very much connected with the multiple intelligence theory given by Gardner. The children have different intelligence: art, painting, photography, working with wires, clay, paper, wood, all that stuff. So this all connected with the categories of a creative children. Now, how to enhance creativity? So there are various ways given to enhance the creativity, existing creativity of the children. Allow yourself to be creative. First of all, we need to allow. We need not to stop. For example, my daughter is doing something, but if I feel creative, I let her do it. So forget the rule. Sometimes we have to think out of the box. We don't have to go walk on the straight line. Sometimes we have to deviate from the line to find a new path. If this was not done, the Columbus never would discover America, which is the, we can say, he because he went different lane, to discover that. So give your fresh mind, put every day, travel and observe, you know collaborate with other people, observe the products and services of other companies, especially in different markets. Recognize the creative power of the mistakes and incidents. That's how all the creative people, Thomas Edison, Albert Einstein, they came up with the creativity because they thought differently and they had all the components which I mentioned over here. And these are for some more ways. View problems as opportunities, provide creative training, provide support, develop a procedure or for capturing ideas, talk with the customer, or better yet, interact with them, and monitor emerging trends and identity ways to company that capitalize them. Look for uses for your company products and services, reward creativity and model creativity. So with this, we are done with our entire